Today we have a 2015 Citroën C1, and one of the low beam headlight bulbs has burned out, so we're going to replace it. So how do we do it? First, open the bonnet. In this case, we're working on the side where the battery is located. As you can see, access isn't the best, but there's still enough room to work. There's no need to remove the headlight. First, remove the rubber cover. It's simply pushed into place, so just pull it off. Now we can see the electrical connector and the back of the bulb. The first thing we need to do is disconnect the connector. Since this connector isn't removed very often, it can sometimes be a little stuck. Gently wiggle it from side to side, and you should be able to pull it off. The connector is attached directly to the two pins on the bulb, so simply pull it straight back. Now release the metal retaining clip. Push it in, move it to the side, and this will release the clip, allowing us to remove the bulb. And this is what the bulb looks like. As you can see, it has a locating tab on one side, which means it can only be installed in one position. The bulb type is H7. Now that we have the new bulb, try not to touch the glass part with your fingers. Oils from your skin can affect the bulb. Insert the new bulb into position, making sure that the locating tab lines up correctly. Next, move the metal retaining clip back into position. Push it in and move it to the side so that the clip locks into place on both sides. Now reconnect the electrical connector and push it firmly onto the bulb. Finally, put the rubber protective cover back in place. This prevents dust and dirt from getting inside the headlight. And that's it. Now switch on the headlights and check that the new bulb is working correctly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.